My name is Yevai Mushambadope. I think I'm going to be speaking slowly because
how do you pronounce your surname?
Mushambadope.
Mushambadope.
I'm selling half of it on eBay. Please. Yeah.
Okay.
I'd be happy if you can introduce yourselves to me. Starting with you. Keith, nice meeting you. Stuart, nice meeting you. Marilyn. Tanisha. Bailey, nice meeting you guys. Today I'm going to, anyway, here's the fire door. If you hear the fire alarm going, please let's go out through this way. We are going to sign in and register. And you will meet at the fire assembly point. There is no fire drill today, okay? You know the handouts that I've given you, please don't follow the way they have been stapled up. I've seen that I've stapled them in another way. Like I said that, you know, I'm a last minute person. So in this session, I'm going to show you how to make a peanut butter banana sandwich. And by the end of this session, everyone must be able to make his or her own peanut butter banana sandwich. Okay? And actually, I was going to show you a video. I've got my USB, but it's okay. It's just a small clip that you were going to see of someone making a peanut butter banana sandwich. But I think you can do it, and I'll be watching you. Has any of you made sandwich, or has any of you worked in a sandwich factory? Myself, I've worked in a sandwich factory. No. Have you made a sandwich before? Have you made a sandwich? Marilyn?
Yes, I've made a sandwich.
Okay. Stuart?
Yes. I have, but never peanut butter and banana.
Yeah,
okay, thank you. The other thing is any of you allergic to nuts?
No.
Nope, not that I'm aware of.
No. Okay, that's fine then. Any allergy to bananas?
No.
No, that's fine. Thank you very much.
People can be allergic to bananas.
I've not got a bread allergy either.
Sorry?
I've not got a bread allergy either.
Oh, you don't have bread allergy? Okay, that's fine then. Anyway, I'm going to go for my safety points first. If you turn over your last page, that's where the safety points are. If you're making a peanut butter banana sandwich, make sure you wash your hands and dry them for at least 20 seconds so that they are nice and dry. Make sure the worktop is clean. That's why I've given you that white kitchen roll. And check for allergies, including the nuts, because most of the people are allergic to nuts. And even if you're making it for yourself, make sure that whoever is in the room is not allergic to nuts. Because some people, even if you're having it for yourself, once they actually smell the nuts, they will be actually affected. And ensure that you have the actually right ingredients. Check for the allergies, including nuts, wheat, or any other preservatives. Because the thing is, when they are making this, when they are making peanut butter, they are also adding some preservatives. So some people, they find themselves that, oh, if I eat actually peanut butter from this company, I react to it. It's not the peanut butter, it's the preservative that they have used. And when you're using, actually, when you're making your peanut butter sandwich, make sure that you're using a knife and make sure the knife is clean and no rust. So I've given you all the table knives there to use. And when and make sure that you are holding the knife the safest way, because some people have got phobia of knives and some people have got very bad experience actually with knives. And check for intolerances as well. Okay? I'm going to ask you all to actually prepare your own banana sandwich. Then we'll actually have a look if we can all do it well. So I'll start with you, Stuart, because you're the one with the...
Okay.
Then the banana needs to be actually a bit, not very softy, and it needs to be able to, you must be able to cut it, okay? There we go. Would you mind to actually have a go? So by the end of this session, everyone must be actually able to make his or her own banana.
We all make it at the same time or just wait on it?
Oh, you're waiting for peanut butter from Stuart. Just take all your peanut butter so that I'll pass it to the next person.
Okay. Fine, thank you.
Okay. There we go.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm trying to feel
Okay, thank you.
There we go.
I've never had peanut butter in my life.
Yeah.
Never had peanut butter in my life.
I don't think you should.
So
try
if you've
to-
never,
I'm not got a nut allergy at all. I've never actually.
Are we sure?
Yeah, I
do you eat nuts?
I eat bags of nuts every week. Yeah.
Oh, that's fine then.
I get home,
Oh,
I
wait
snack
till
on
four.
a few
Oh,
nuts.
you're nice. I saw you watching me. I thought, oh shit, I didn't realise that. There you go, sorry.
So do you not put anything under the peanut butter, like margarine?
No, you can just put peanut butter.
Okay.
Is this something children will like?
Okay. Right. You can now add your bananas. Did you cut your banana?
No.
You can.
Chopping.
Yeah, you can cut it to the size that you want, that you are comfortable to eat. Okay.
Always want to find ones.
So you can add your banana now in a way that you want.
Just put it on.
Yeah, just put it on. You can add your banana.
Oh, those are big chunks.
I've got the patience. I've got the patience. Am I going to get another slice of bread?
Oh yeah. No, I
I'm
do.
just asking if I need to cut
I
this and just, because I can improvise.
Oh yeah, I do have. Where
No,
did I
don't
put
worry,
the bread?
don't stress.
No,
I just
I'm-
wanted
I'm
to
not
know.
taking it anyway. If you want to put one on top,
No, I'm not
Yeah.
good. Bread is not good for me.
oh,
I'm not allergic, but it's just that
just for
I
today.
will pay for it later
You've
when I
been-
go.
you've been here for a long day.
Thank you.
Are you sure?
Yes, please.
Oh yeah, there you go.
I'm making half a
Thank
sandwich.
you.
There you go.
I'm okay with that.
Are you sure?
I'm okay with one, thank you.
Okay, okay,
It's me.
good.
See, I've got a half a sandwich.
Okay, so you can see now you have all made actually your own sandwiches, of which I think when I was coming here for 3 days, I would find myself rushing into M&S buying a sandwich. So I said, let me demonstrate how to make your peanut butter banana sandwich, which is quick and easy as well. Then, yeah, it is. Then whilst we have all made the banana sandwich, do you have any questions?
Why did you choose this sandwich? These ingredients.
The thing is, with brown bread, it has got a lot of wheat, and quite a lot of people has got some intolerances for wheat. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any questions?
When can we eat it?
You can start now. You can sample your product now. Yeah. Do you have any questions?
No, not at all.
Okay. Whilst you are actually having a sandwich, I've got some quiz that I want you to we want to do together. It's a true or false quiz, right? The first one is it true or false to check the expiry date of bread? Okay. Then is it true or false that people on gluten-free diet can eat wheat?
Gluten free.
Yeah.
Wheat's not gluten, is it?
No, it's not.
Actually, any food with wheat is not supposed to be consumed by people who are gluten-free. It should be wheat-free, okay? So that's how we should read actually on the, if you buy the bread, you need to check. If you are buying it for someone who's gluten-free, you should check it's gluten-free, no wheat, okay? Then, is it true or false that bread that has been refrigerated can be eaten after the expiry date?
If you're going by, if you have a business
Yes.
to what you practice at home, then we're on a whole different playing field.
I think it's true, but it just depends how long after. I don't eat like a month afterwards, just maybe a few days. Just keep it a bit longer.
You can
Okay.
freeze your bread as well.
Okay. I think I've read somewhere that if bread is refrigerated, you don't have to worry about the expiry date. The only thing that you have to worry about is the time that you have taken it out of the freezer up to the time that you consume it. It doesn't have to stay longer outside the fridge.
Yeah.
Okay? Then, for how long should you wash your hands? This is just a normal hand washing technique. 20 seconds. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm here for any questions. If you want to ask any questions.
So how's your first experience of peanut butter?
He's enjoying it. Peanut butter and banana. It's the
Yeah.
first time having peanut butter and banana.
Oh, really? How is it then?
Banana with it. It's a big
It's a bit
difference.
dry to make for me.
Is it?